sorry, after school I should go because she says she don't know the person is not her classmate. I say okay oh, I go house. When I go house, I now bring her. I normally go bring them after school, so I carry them come back. So when I came back, there is one nurse that is living in my house. I take the girl to that nurse house. I say, no, see you, because you're even in face me and face you. So I say, no, so see you, see what is happening. I don't understand this child. He said, I say, okay, no problem. I take her inside my house. I say, Chisindi.
If you have anything to tell me, go and write and bring. Don't interrupt me.
I said, Chisindi. He say it's Faith. That day I went and called that girl inside my room. I asked Faith. I said, do you touch Chisindi for her bum? He said no, that she's bathing. She's not touching the back of her bum. Say, see your bumbers like children. I say, okay, oh, no problem. So the thing, when the girl they waka no understand. So she's telling me that mommy, that place is paining me. I say, who touched you? That case, I hold it. Then when this one starts, I go born this my child, come back. I born it April 2nd. So when I came back on Saturday, I born it on Friday. I come back on Saturday. So when I come back on Monday morning, I wake them. I say, listen, they go and bathe. The girl go outside, go and bathe. After the girl bathe, so that the way that she's normal, the thing is not giving me joy. So when the girl bath finish come inside, I said that daddy help me and bath the small boy. He said okay. So when the daddy go outside, I close door. I say, listen, tell me what is happening. So the girl don't want to tell me. I use wire, this chargeable cord. So when I flog the girl is not telling me that he's daddy. Me, I shock, I drop the thing. I say, what is happening? I did not touch that girl again. I drop it. I not ask the daddy anything. I hold everything. The girl go to school. So all these things.
Just like that.
So when the girl go to school, the daddy come back. I call the daddy and say, see what is happening. The daddy say, him. Say he's not the one. He called the girl. The girl say his dad that is touching bomb. I say, there is one nurse that delivered this baby for me. 8 days on this baby. The day that this baby delivered 8 days, he want to cut the circumcise the baby. The nurse come to my house. After circumcise this baby, I asked the nurse, see, help me and check this child. So the nurse now check the child. Touching your bum. He say his daddy. The nurse look at me. The nurse say that she will call me on phone. I say no problem. Nurse go. In the evening, the nurse call me on phone. Say, wetin my child tell me. I say, wetin she? He say, abeg, madam, no come form anything for me. What are you like? No be you born am. I say, tell me now. She said that the girl is telling her that is. I say it's the same thing that the girl tell her. I tell my husband, say, see wetin this girl, and this thing no good. And them now verse. Stand up and go their house. They no talk anything again. Since that time, I did not quarrel with my husband. I did not insult my husband in any way. I just, what is happening? So I took that girl to health center where I delivered the second child, the boy. So when we go to that hospital, government hospital, that health center, so doctor now check the girl, say the service is not. We should wait. She go and call matron, the person that is taking charge of that place. The woman come inside. So two of them is checking the girl. They now send two of us outside. We are outside. When they check the girl finish, they call two of us in. Doctor now say, madam, what did your child tell you? I say, hospital. Doctor now say, what is happening? Doctors ask me again, madam, is your child? Are you not the one that give birth to her? I say, yes, it's my child. Madam, this is hospital, nothing like. I say, they said yes. This girl now they tamper this girl. Somebody is tampering this girl, but this girl is calling somebody for him. I say, who is it? The doctor don't want to. I say, doctor asked her. I say, she said that she's her
That now is not important. What is important to you is your marriage.
No, mommy, listen. So when
listen.
So when this, I now tell doctor that this case, they should bring this case out. They write everything is in that place, that hospital as I'm talking to you.
Which hospital? You will give us the address. We will go there.
That Ogunbawale at Elasa, our side, that health center there. So that doctor now say, okay, madam, I should not talk anything. I should keep quiet. Everything is in this group. Have a issue about this girl. Say that, see, the girl is telling that it's her daddy that is started. The daddy said that he's not the one. I say, okay, in their case, I say, doctor, anywhere that they want to take this case, no problem. As the girl, she's telling that the daddy said that I'm the one. I initiate the girl. I take the girl to some place, and they started talking so many things. The family now turn against me for nothing. They say I'm the one that do, and they married, but you don't marry me before I get that belly through that relationship. Before I get that pregnancy. So after everything, I born that child. 8 days when I born that child, the day to give that girl name, I don't know what is happening. Misbehaving. So after everything, my husband now call my people. My people said they will not come because they don't know where they talk more of to know whether, so they are the thing sound them somehow. So that my first child is my senior sister that come around that time when everything is happening. So after everything, my husband say it's because I born child for you. This thing starts. You don't meet me as person that they are mad. But today you're calling me a mad person. I don't have much to tell you. So my mother tell my husband that since when she born all of us in our house, nobody in my house that is doing, even all of us, we are born in nothing like this. Still, my husband now, they say they don't want to marry. I should go. 2016, that same thing happened again.
How did they happen?
I play. So that is I say, see me, oh, I do okay for my former place. So when the thing happened again, 2016, the thing happened again. So my mother come that second time in that our former place with my senior elder sister. So when they come, my mother was like, this thing is not, what is happening? What is happening? Then now my mother with my sister, my mommy will tell them to give me drugs to drink. Say that me, they should if they give me that drugs, I'll drink it, I'll be sleeping. When I sleep, that drugs is only to make me to sleep and weak. Finish. So when I wake up, the drugs, my mom will say, I would ask my mommy, don't take me that place. I'm not mad. Since when you born us, nobody. This thing never even happened to me. So the thing is just a challenge to me and my God since that time. So later on, 2018, I born my second child. When I born my second child, David. So my mommy now come Omugo. After my mommy do the Omugo finish, 3 months, my mommy to go house. The thing started, they carry me again. Me and my mommy now go travel my village. There's someone that come Omugo, we say if you finish your Omugo, use happiness, go your house. So they now carry me. I say, when my mommy carry me, we go to that psych here. When they bring, I say, mommy, nothing is happening with mommy, I'm okay. Leave me, I'm okay. Don't give me these drugs. And you say you are serving God. Where is your God? And all this thing is not my senior ones will be telling my mommy, stop taking my sister to that place. Nothing is happening to my sister. Stop taking her to that place. So they will go and bring the drugs. When I take the drugs, it will make me sleep. When I wake up, I will weak, very weak. I will just eat, finish. My mommy they will be watching me. My husband will be telling them that they should not listen to me, that I'm not, he's the one know what he's passing through. I say, my mommy will be listening to my husband. I say, so when everything happened, the drugs that they pack and give to me, that place, I carry that drugs and go to altar and drop the drugs. that 2018. I say, God, this dross is not for me, because it's in my life. I have never experienced this anywhere. That this thing, I don't know this. I don't know where this thing. I don't know. That is where I dropped that dross. I come back in 2018. When I come back, nothing again. I get this one, Belle. So this thing, if you ask my husband will be telling people that I'm mad, I'm this, I'm that. Even the sister, when this thing is happening, my husband will be telling them he's mad, he's this. My husband is the one that called my people, that tell them that the thing has started again. They should come and carry me. That she don't want to marry again. She's tired of this. She's tired of that. Her sister will be the one that is in outside country. They will gather meeting. They will tell my husband he should pursue me. That they don't need me. They don't need person like me. That you go and marry mad person. You don't know who to marry. You look at yourself from head to toe. It's mad person that you go and marry. Why can't you go and pursue her? You just living at. So they were just talking. Since all this thing about this, they are our child and the daddy. Since what this thing is happening, the senior sister have never even called me and asked me, my wife, what am I hearing till today? The senior sister take my senior brother number, call my village, tell them that they should come and carry me, that they are tired of, they will not marry me again. I should go my house. As she's talking to them now, I'm my house, mad, people gathering me, and their brother will not come back again. I should go my own. The reason why that she's telling them now to send one of my people to come and carry me, that the thing has started again. They will never, nothing will make them to marry me. Anyway, they want this case, that she come out, she will come out for this case, that they will fight it from beginning to the end. I say, me and you fight for where? Me went over, your brother no dey feed me, no food for table. Your brother carry me to where we are living. I'm not complaining, I'm not disturbing you people. Now you're calling my people and be telling my people that she will not be alive. Her brother will marry me. Say the thing cannot happen.
All this is not the right. Oga, you go and bring that girl.
Okay.
Yes, we need that girl. We need to check the girl, because all what this woman is saying, I've not seen mad talk from her. So if you said she had been talking out of sense, if she gave birth, at least for now, from the beginning of her statement, I've not seen where she talk out of point or talking like a mad person. So she cannot just wake up and say, my daughter say you are sleeping with her, and that statement alone is the mad statement you hear there. What of other statement that you have been hearing? Did she sound like a mad person?
Mommy, this is my wife. Now everyone will be in witness. I've been the best husband. I mean, it's not I'm praising or doing anything. Ask her if she will tell you the truth. I wash her clothes. I do everything.
We're not talking about washing clothes or anything.
Now, this is my daughter thing.
Yes.
To God who made me.
Who they wash my woman clothes?
It's only a movie. I'm not listening. This I'm surprised. This thing is eating me up.
Movie no be hold on, Oga. Hold on.
This thing I've never had something like that.
Who will see? You never hear, but you don't hear.
I've never had something like this.
Movie no. Oga, hold on. Movie no be dream. Now waiting happen for the physical, then they carry them.
Even my wife said, I don't even say, tell them, say, when I don't get me one doesn't, even I go carry woman or go do this thing. Since I married her, I left all those things. How come after much everything, all the thing now, this is the highest one that they brought. You see, I almost died the other time because I was running from my house based on what I don't want to touch her. Because when she was saying that thing, I was angry. I said, no, let me just leave that place. And I said, okay, let me go and sleep in my daughter-in-law place. That I entered back, I almost died.
What you are talking is not making point to what we are saying here.
That's what I'm saying, Mommy. I've never tried such in my life. I've never tried such in my life. I've never tried it. I don't know I've done something like that.
Have they changed their life?
I've never done such in my life. So this thing is, to me, is pissing me off.
Until we have the child, Oga, it's not even your statement against your wife's statement. What we are talking now, we are not concerned about what your wife said. He said your daughter said. So you cannot even use it against her.
She has mentioned, my daughter has mentioned like 2 or 3 people. He mentioned like 2 or 3 people before she now flogged out with wire. Before my daughter was that same calling my own name. Imagine.
Hold on. We don't flog children here.
No, I'm not talking about you.
Hold on now. We don't flog children here. We have specialists that investigate the children.
Okay.
And once those specialists investigate the children, whatever that child say is what you will use. You don't beat a child to get truth. So if your child may decided not to mention your name, or for instance, if you are the one touching her and you warn her and you threaten her, don't tell anybody. If you tell anybody, you will die, you will kill you, or this and that too. If you threaten the child behind anything, if body is paining her, because we know all the perpetrators, they cannot commit and allow that victim to threatening them. They threaten them in one way or the other, or they entice them with one thing or the other so that they will not talk. Don't go there, sir. This is not an issue of your wife. This is an issue between you and your daughter. I don't even see any reason why you should bring this woman in. I can't see where a responsible woman will sit in her house without investigating if her girl daughter is not moving well. A member of your family should even disturb this woman, because when you were friending her, she was not mad.
Exactly. Nobody is talking now. She's just saying all that.
Excuse me, yes, this one she's talking and she's talking out of madness again. Now, no, they consider when be men get problem and you are looking for a woman to stay with you until you die with that problem.
She's not speaking incoherently now.
Yes.
Her thinking faculty is clear.
It's clear and she's very normal.
Yes.
Okay, I didn't even have anything up my sleeve. Since I'm a parent and this thing, say wait, I want to make
if
it.
You want to assess,
they said I should leave. They said I should leave this thing, but they didn't know the reason why. Because it pays me. Because me, you understand? I don't take. He knows, you understand. The reason why I said let me get to bottom, because that doctor that we even went to later called me. That's like she said. And I said this thing is a family issue that we got to. But if I don't want to do this in life, I think anyway I want to take it. That day, you now call someone. I said if I want to call anybody. I want to get to the bottom of this thing. You understand? Because I cannot be guilty. If I'm guilty of something, you understand? I need to hide myself. I don't need to bring myself out.
Can I tell you something?
That's the reason why I said I want to get to the bottom of this thing.
Can I tell you something? Do you know that the fact that you come to the human rights office will not overlook
just
the fact
yeah,
that
we can't overlook or even say you are
you have
ill.
to go in detail.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Even if you come, we still go details. If you did not come and we hear it from the mother or from the child or from the teacher, we will still investigate it, because some people will commit offense and they quickly go to become the complainant, whereas they know they are the real offender. Yes. So that will not judge based that you come or you say that they should ask you. Somebody, after all, somebody, your sister that asks you to go and report. You did not wake up on your own to go and report. You were only getting angry with why did the woman ask you?
I don't know now. I told as in, because me too, something was eating me up. You understand? I don't have anybody now to tell. And I have to call and say, look what I'm going through. She now said, okay. Even I don't even know even this woman. I don't know this the office. I have to now ask questions.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Do you think that child at that age can just form that it is his daddy that is touching her? At that tender age.
I don't know why this thing.
Have you ever bet the child?
Eh?
Have you ever bet her?
I'm the one betting both the boy and the
no. Girl that say you are touching her. Have you ever bet her?
I'm the one betting her and my son.
You're the one betting and your son.
Yes.
In the bedroom or outside?
Outside now. Outside.
Outside.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry. Just we need to have the child. Bring the child to us.
Yes.
Bring the child to us. We need to have the child.
No problem. Because her mom said she will be taking her.
Nobody is taking the girl to it.
Ask her.
Especially
Right now.
wait.
That's another
You just said that you said you asked them to come. I cannot imagine say you marry somebody's daughter. Normal, sound and well. Then you say you have child for you. You say this, she's running mad, they should come and carry her to where? Did they give her to you as a mad person? So as you married her now, you and her stay in the house, their brother started running mad. Won't they hold this woman responsible? What is making their brother to be mad?
Exactly.
Did you marry the sister as a madman? So what, all of a sudden the brother become mad, or the sister, but then they not say, no, our sister is not marrying again, no, because he's a madman. Think well before you act. Your family should leave this woman alone. If there is anything wrong with her, take her to where they can treat her. And if she's running mad, they should ask you why she's running mad. Are they not supposed to investigate you while a woman should be running mad? If you don't want to look into that side, then look into the medical aspect of it. Is she depressed? What is happening? You ask other people that have given birth, what is the possibility of this woman acting like this? Is her matter strange? Is it normal? Is there a possibility that somebody give birth to a child and she begin to act this way?
Only test that they run. That's why, because that doctor said this is sugar, that when that thing normally goes to her head. I don't know.
Who tell you that sugar they make person?
I don't know. He said there's something this thing. Her sugar level is very, very high. I don't know how the doctor was saying. You now have to now recommend us to go to that place. You understand? And all this why and everything, all this thing that's been happening. I've been with her. Have I left her? No. You understand? But the reason why I'm angry now is this situation that came up now, and my wife
don't worry.
This one.
Listen to me.
Eh?
If you are a good father, and
Oh.
if you really never touch the girl, you want to pretend to us that you want to do kara. If you never touch that girl, if this girl come to us, we will know.
No problem, man.
If you have touched the girl, if the girl come to us, the world will see no father that is touching their daughter. One, you can threaten a child and the child will begin to confess wrongly. And there is possibility your child have been touched, if not you. Do you also check who touched the child? You did not talk about who touched the child. You are talking about why did they say you are the one? Then you must be the one. Because you are not even talking here now, sir. Who touched this girl?
God forbid.
As you go hospital, what did they tell you in the hospital? Excuse me. You take the child to hospital, right?
No,
you people went there.
We went there.
Did they test the child? Where you take the child to?
The doctor said he doesn't have experience on that.
So what did they use the child? Why did they stay with the child inside for what? Is it question they're asking them because
the doctor later went and called one lady inside. You understand?
Yes.
So they now say we should go outside. That's what happened. Before the doctor now came back, my wife was now asking the doctor what my daughter said.
Okay.
But my wife is the one that made my daughter to be saying that thing. Because she
is a lie.
Wait, let me tell you, she used wire because that woman too.
Did they use wire also in the hospital?
No, I was talking how she because.
Did they use wire in the hospital?
They use wire.
If they did not use wire in the hospital, your daughter will feel free to talk. I've told you.
This thing is to me, you understand? I don't know. This thing to me is
very, go and bring that girl. Forget all those your funny statement. Go and bring the child. Go and bring that child.
No problem. He said I should
no be today. We have heard already that even somebody sleeping with 15 years daughter, that the girl come to tell us that the man is denying. Just leave all that one. Go and give us the child. We will do our proper investigation to know who is not. Bring the child to us tomorrow. Bring the child around 8. We'll take her to Merabel to go and test her.
We will open before that time. This place will be open.
I said bring the child by 8 o'clock.
Okay, thank you. Okay, bros, thank you.
All right, thank you viewers for being with us. Sorry for the network obstruction. Stay put. We'll be back in a moment for the case of this Amaka and the South Korean man and the wife on that container issue that we're trying to treat on Saturday. Subscribe to our YouTube channel on Access to Justice TV and follow us on our Facebook page on Human Rights Defenders and Access to Justice Advocate Center. This very case we are treating, we'll bring the child in, we'll take the child to a specialist, they have to conduct proper tests and proper information, ask the girl necessary question, information that they needed to extract from her. Then we will know the stand of the whole thing. At times you can beat a child, and out of threat, the child can have a wrong confessional statement, and at times you will see, because the perpetrator have threatened the child, you will find it difficult to get truth from the child until a situation like that coming in a hard way she will confess. So it's not until the child is in the house by tomorrow. God bless you very much.